Hello, everyone! Have you ever looked at your cat and thought, wow, you're smarter than some people I know? Well, it's not just you. According to American scientists, certain cat breeds have been scientifically evaluated for intelligence on a 10-point scale. The tests included responsiveness to commands, trainability, independence, and even emotional intelligence. All of the breeds in today's list scored between 8 and 10 points, meaning they're not just cute, they're brilliant. Looking for a cat that's equal parts wild and brilliant? Meet the Bengal. Descended from wild leopards, Bengals are adventurous, highly observant, and love to learn. They can open doors, cabinets, even windows, and may copy your actions. Despite their wild look, they're gentle, sociable, and love being part of the family. The Egyptian Maw is one of the world's most ancient and most intelligent cat breeds. They form a deep bond with one specific person, and their loyalty is unmatched. These cats love hunting-style games, rarely make noise, and often enjoy playing with water. Mouse are obedient, quick learners, and remarkably clean, often litter trained from an early age. The stunning Burmese cat draws you in with its shimmering coat and soulful eyes. But beneath that beauty lies a highly social, obedient, and intuitive feline. Burmese cats thrive on attention and don't like being left alone. They get along excellently with kids, sense their owner's mood, and are easy to train. Think of them as a caring roommate that just happens to have fur. This gorgeous, large cat from Scandinavia has a sharp mind and a soft temperament. Norwegian forest cats are independent yet deeply attached to their human family. They get along well with kids and other pets, but prefer to relax next to you, not on you. They don't usually bond with just one person and treat all household members equally. With strangers, they're shy at first, but quickly warm up. The playful and quirky Devon Rex is like a kitten forever. These pets are affectionate, clever, and absolutely fearless. They love playing with toys, climbing, and being the center of attention. They're great with kids and even get along with dogs. Devon Rex cats are known for their problem-solving abilities, and they're not picky eaters. But be ready, you'll need to keep them mentally stimulated or they'll find their own mischief. At the top of our list is the Canadian Sphinx, a breed known for its dog-like loyalty and intelligence. They love attention, hate being alone, and can learn tricks with ease. Sphinxes are incredibly affectionate and even act like nannies around children, gentle, patient, and playful. They're emotionally sensitive and often respond to their owner's mood. Their only flaw? They're so loving, they may follow you everywhere, even the bathroom. Opening the list is the energetic and intelligent Turkish van. These cats are highly affectionate, love being around people, and are surprisingly good at learning tricks. They're patient with kids and friendly with other pets, but they're also extremely active. One quirky trait? They love swimming. Unlike most cats, Turkish vans are obsessed with water. You might even find one chilling in your bathtub. And instead of curling up in your lap, they prefer lounging on your shoulders. The majestic Siberian cat is as smart as it is fluffy. These affectionate, loyal companions love exploring everything they can reach with their curious paws. Siberians are calm, especially when allowed regular outdoor time. They're easy to train, just keep sessions short and fun. With proper upbringing, they become obedient and responsive while still maintaining their independent spirit. Famous for their striking looks and loud voices, Siamese cats are one of the oldest and smartest breeds. These cats are deeply attached to their owners and love attention. They can learn tricks, follow voice commands, and even walk on a leash. They're independent, but demand affection. One breeder once said Siamese cats are like little dogs in cat bodies. Elegant and mysterious, the Russian Blue is known for its intelligence and stubborn nature. They're cautious with strangers, but deeply affectionate with their trusted humans. They value independence and enjoy outdoor walks. They're natural hunters, so don't expect them to get along with your pet hamster, but they're obedient, well-mannered, and prefer not to misbehave. So, which of these smart cats would you want as your companion? Whether you prefer a swimming Turkish van, a trick-performing Siamese, or a loyal Sphinx, one thing's clear: intelligence comes in whiskered packages. Let us know in the comments which breed impressed you the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.